Yo, what's up guys, my name is Kishos and welcome back to another episode of the taste test. I have a lot of taste tests for today. Wow, Kashiro, you cannot stop making taste test video. I know, because this was a long time before that, and I'm going to make this a lot. So as for today, I'm going to give it a try with this mini BC, another mi instant goreng, or should I say noodles from Indonesia. Now if you're watching this, of course I bought this, and it's not only that one, there is also two, but those are noodles, and this one is a fried noodles, like a pancit canton, yeah. And I'm going to add with this. I love this now. Thank you so much, Loco. So now I'm going to cook, because I'm going to heat this up, and yeah, let's go. Durian time. That was so good. Alright, here we go. Now it's time to strain it, but I need to find a strainer. Where could I find a freaking strainer for this one? Now I'm going to eat this one with this too. Alright, let's get this over. For this one, yeah, I'm so excited for this one. Naori, I know you're excited to taste this one, and I said me too, because I really wanted to try. Alright, did it smell? So good. Alright, let's give it a taste. Very less spice. You can taste that. You can taste that chili oil, but just very like a tiny bit of spice. Okay. I like this one. That was pretty good. Oh my god. I like it. But I would say it's not better than the previous one, the Indomie. Indomie is still the best for me in my heart. So for this one, I'm going to give this a 7.5 out of 10. Yeah, 7.5. That might be okay, alright? If there is something better than Indomie, it might be like 8.5 until 10. Yeah? Or 8.1 to 10. Next up, this one. It's called Mi ABC Instant Rasa Ayam Bawang Onion Chicken Flavor. Bawang means garlic in our country. And we have seasonings too. Oh, they have chili and mumbo seasoning. Alright, let's wait. Is it? Now let's go and put it there. Alright, here we go. Oh. Now let's not forget about the rice. The rats. Oh. They're safe for now. Alright, the moment of truth, because I am hungry. And I'm going to eat this one too. Naori, are you ready? Because I am ready. Right. Ooh. Right, itadakimasu. Just a bit flavor. Hold on, let me taste a lot. The noodle is just like taste of plain. I don't taste of shrimp. Hold on. Oh no, that is not the shrimp. I'm so sorry. It's kind of right, but it tastes like a bit plain. Let me drink the broth. Taste, it's not really that much of a taste. It's like, you know, it's a bit fine. I really want to like with a more taste, like the more of a chicken, the more of the beef, and something like that. But no, it's not really like. It's really a taste of less flavor of it. I cannot taste it with the onions though. I'm not joking, but it's really, I can eat this, but remember, its rating is about the taste. You know, okay, I can taste a bit better now. Hold on, let me try with this one. I'm going to sip and then eat it. Okay. I don't like the noodles though. The broth is really fine, but the noodles not really. I'm sorry, Nauri, but I'm going to rate this 4 out of 10. I'm so sorry. But there is the last one, and it is a shrimp flavor, and I have a high, and I hope that might be better because I love seafood. So let's go and try it. Last but not the least, this one, a shrimp flavor. I have a high hopes that I hope this is delicious. Alright, Nari? Nari, if you're watching this, I hope it might be good. If not, then I'm going to bomb you. In every Indonesia as well. Just joking. Alright, now let's gonna wait for that. Because I mean, still boiling. Yeah, still boiling. So now let's wait. Alright, the water is boiling right now. I mean, look at this. Yeah. So let's get this over with. So I'm going to put right here, right? Because I'm going to use this. It's going to get excited for a new flavor. Please don't disappoint me, Nauri, because shrimp is my favorite seafood. So now we'll wait. Oh, I can smell it. Oh my god, oh yes! Oh yes! I'm so excited. Alright, it smells good, but I was wondering about the taste. You know about that, Nauri. Anyway, I'm going to go upstairs and give it a taste for this one. Luckily, I have a chopsticks. So now I'm excited for this meal right here, and it smells pretty good, and I am excited for eating this. Itadakimasu. And first things first, we need to taste the noodle. Alright, here we go. Cheers. Kind of fine, it's just, you know, just right. Yeah, it's really just right. Yeah. So now let's going to drink the broth. It tastes like chicken. Strange. It tastes like chicken. Okay. taste the chicken. Okay. So technically, the noodles is just right, and the broth it tastes like chicken. I'm going to rate this. You know what? I'm going to rate this a 5. It's really alright. It's really better than I'm going to bought the pancit. Yeah, the pancit one. It's really delicious. The fried noodles is really the best than the soup. But I can eat the soup for I'm getting sick. That might be okay. But as for when I get hungry, it might be better if I'm going to eat with the fried noodles though. So yeah. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe. And nice to you all. And it's sayonara. Arigato. See this? Click it. There's the notification bell. Do it now. Do it now!